When talking about the internet, right, it's actually talking about the general mass, talk about grassroots power.
The internet has become a basic need that should be available to everyone. It should be one of the basic human rights, that everybody should be connected to affordable quality internet because of what it provides, the amount of information, the amount of opportunities. And this is one way we are seeing the community where we are in changing and benefiting from this. The Hadi story starts in 2012 when I was posted to China as an economic counselor at the Kenyan embassy in Beijing. That was my first time to meet Tiger. Then he was looking to invest in cloud computing and virtual computing. We had a good discussion. This was an Africa-wide investment forum, but we got a chance to talk.
The vision of the company is to connect 1 billion Africans to unlimited internet in the most affordable way. And also to build the infrastructure and backbone for the digital economy and the digital ecosystem for African communities.
Konnect started in an area called Githurai in Nairobi, with a lot of stereotype about it being heavy with crime and really being portrayed as a place without hope and people without a future.
The place is what we call lower middle income communities, such as like Githurai 44, 45, Zimmerman, Kaha West. They are all like fit into those categories.
Githurai 44 is in a unique place whereby you can easily expand to different areas. When you're in Githurai 44, you can easily move to Kaha West 45 and these other areas.
So obviously, this is like what we believe this is the real opportunity.
And that's where the idea of Ahadi and Konnect came from. Ahadi coming from the promise that this internet that we're going to provide would be different, would be beneficial, and would go to serve the community. In the initial stages, we thought about using wireless, which succeeded in the initial stages. But then as the demand grew, it was largely stripped out.
So it was quite challenging, especially when there's rain, there is interference.
The other interesting aspect of Kenya's buildings is that it's mainly natural stone, which absorbs a lot of the waves, meaning that we would not be able to get the quality of internet to our customers using that. But later we were able to get into a very beneficial win-win partnership with Kenya Power to be able to use their poles. And this way to be able to provide the Wi-Fi solution from the home. And this has proved to be a good solution.
So the idea of we are going to install internet in your building for free, that was a foreign idea.
The blessing that came with COVID is that because people were in their homes, we were able to get to people. They were able to use our internet to continue running their lives. And this meant an easy acceptance of our product.
We've been making some great strides in the past 3 years. We grew our registered users from 0 to almost 500,000 as of today. And we have like a wired or like provided internet connectivity to more than like 4,000 buildings in 8 communities in Nairobi. But of course, like this is just the very first step. We still have many communities expanding to other cities, like in other parts of the country.
We are looking then to integrate vertically to get more products that will be layered on top. We're also looking for partners, other people who have products. And through this, with us have CSR activities that Konnect carries out. We have the coding classes. This is to allow the community to start coding and building products that can be used now on the available, affordable internet. We have programs where we have outreach within the community with our customers and with other members of the community.
This is just the very first step about like building the connectivity, building the internet access as the backbone, and then eventually, like we believe, like we can actually using the internet to connect all the young people from different communities, different countries, different like cultures, and really help them like build their skill set, build their capacity for like having a better life.
For me and Tiger, while we believe in this and strongly believe is what makes Konnect what it is largely made up of the staff of Konnect and the culture that they live by.
We are still at the very first step of the process, since we are still having not only like thousands, probably tens of thousands or like hundreds of thousands of miles in the journey to go. And we say a 1,000-mile journey begins with the first step, and then the first step is now. And let's move beyond limit. Let's connect beyond limits.
Connect beyond limits to our future together.